So my fellow gardeners, welcome back. We can see that the land is dry. Our plants need water. If you don't water them, they may die out of suffocation. They may not have enough nutrients. So that is why watering is very good or important to our plants. But you have to apply the best method of watering. I've said it on this channel before that you water and let the soil be damp but not soakingly wet. So we are going to do watering again. It's not once day or a day, something you do once and forget. You keep watering. So let's start watering. Because this is the method. You water. You can see the Lagos spinach they are enjoying the water. You are going towards dry season. You can see it's not raining as before. So the best thing you can do to your Lagos spinach is to water them, and water properly. Water the right way. Don't just pour water. Water the right way. Water. Let the soil be damp but not soakingly wet to avoid the root rot. Root rot is a problem to plants. No plant wants root rot. That is why proper watering is the best thing you can do to your plants. Keep watering. Water them always. They will be very happy and they will give you what you want. So we keep watering. Then we water the jute melon too. They are already growing. They are shining. In fact, you can see that they are doing well. The jute melon is doing well, but we are still going to apply manure to them. But that will be another video. Not today. We apply manure to the jute melon, the ewedu, so that they can grow well like other vegetables in the garden. So you water, you keep watering, you keep watering. Don't give up on your garden. Keep watering. Your plants need your love. That's why you keep giving them the love they require. Keep watering. Water them very well, and they will bless you in return. They will bless you in return. Make it a must that you must water your plant. As we human beings drink water, they also drink water. They need water, sun, and nutrients. You can give them that, but they will like you. They will thank you for it. Thank you for watching this video on watering your vegetables. Keep